How easy is it to catch fish with your Eagle Eye 9 on your FishPro?
God, that thing takes forever to go down. All right, here I go. Let's get this fish right here.
But then I saw the two big ones right here swimming across, so I pulled up real quick and...
Got one. He was swimming through.
Just a small white bass.
That was what grabbed it. Boo! Now I'm off the spot. Oh, here's one. On. He's on. Oh, there's a little bit bigger one. Oh, that's a crappie. That was a crappie hauling butt through there. Look at that. Oh.
And y'all, that is really that easy. I mean, see the fish, put the bait in front of them. If they're biting, you know, if they're hungry, or if you have the right bait, I mean, it's that easy. It doesn't happen every single time, but man, that's easy. It's like pushing the easy button. You guys check my channel out, Kevin 11 Outdoor Adventures on YouTube, and it's got the build of the Eagle Eye on the FishPro and all the stuff most of the parts I used. It wasn't very hard. I mean, it took a couple hours at night, you know, and the next day I was fishing with live sonar on my personal watercraft. You can do it too. I will see you guys over there, and thanks for watching.